exit regret and an exit dive because people can't read the big green signs at all.
The Lesseps, Bad Margaret's Croat, Chatterton and Eddings ran toward him. If they had lived, they might have told their fellow officers that they thought the man had been in a car crash or had been burned by an explosive backlash of gas or kerosene, or that he might...
Left turn regret. I'll be nice, get on camera, do the deed. Good job. You get to be in the video now.
He lifted his hands above his head and clapped them loudly. The sparrows did not move. And they had
red light run, I think.
They were looking at.
Yeah, that was red light run.
Find George Stark.
Because they're turning now, so of course that was red light
Really
run.
much more than
Upside down, trying to figure out how to get back to their tent. So
Dad, tell me again why this happened.
I thought I would do a couple of things. You
Go!
mentioned the Curse of Ham, the Curse
They're
of
letting
Cain,
you in.
yeah,
What the fuck are you doing?
Two really good books.
You picked the wrong lane.
I would recommend if anybody would like to look into this more. David Goldenberg, from 2003, The Curse of...
He wasn't sure why he was lying. The only thing he was really sure of was that he had a terrible feeling in his guts.
Illinois.
Just as different as I thought.
Go back
How did he
there.
know
At least
you'd
you're
be
heading
in?
in the right
There's
direction to get back there.
And how come he called on...
That's an exit dive up there for the toll booths. It's like you can go through the toll booths on the right with just an easy pass. It won't be as fast, but, well, you're an impatient douche nozzle, so of course you don't care. But they're there. It ain't the end of the world if you're stuck over there. Just saying. Okay. Yep, thank you. Bye. What the fuck? Really? Nice cutoff. Yeah, just move right in there.
A few moments later.
Damn, you got cut off again. What kind of bad luck do you have? Really? Let me guess, you're gonna exit? Of course you are. Because why wouldn't you? Exit dive. That's what it was. Exit dive!
I'm gonna summon
Daylight is recording from jail.
Oh,
nope, behind me.
So, is there anything you guys want to know?
Yeah.
Sure, there's like 42 minutes of horror movie in there somewhere, maybe.
Yeah.
But what is this, part 9? I think this is the 9th movie in the Controversy.
Really?
How bad was this movie?
Oh, bad.
What? You're turning left, dude? Really? And you ran through the stop sign. What the hell are you doing? Red light run, Cybertruck ran the red lights. I mean, I would sing it in the style of Limp Bizkit, but I'm just listening to here, but Limp Bizkit sucks. So I'm not going to sing like them.
That it's misogyny, that it really is that. But I mean, I think you notice, and we've talked about this, we'll be talking, and you know, you or
Really?
Matt or somebody will be having a conversation with someone, and you know, y'all will be starting the conversation off, and then I'll
could drag you over time. So yeah, we're definitely going to carry on doing that. And one of the things we are going to do this upcoming season is we are going to be
Red light run, red light run, red. You know the song.
Acuff is going to be a prolific
Right turn, regret.
Take it. We're hearing from the owners. But listen to the words that Stearns chose, because they're telling. Here's the Stearns.
Red light run, red light run. You know the song. Because I think I already sang it a bunch of times so far in this video. You guys are tired of it. I know it. I can feel the comments rolling in about my annoying singing. And I talk too much. Red light run. Red light run. Just to only get stuck at that red light. Although, damn it, it turned green. I just wanted karma to be good to me for once. Dang it. And punish those who run the red lights. I can never catch a break. No stop. No turn on red. And it's barely 4 o'clock.
And at one point, a vice principal decided to really show off his knowledge and said, "Do you know the difference? Tell me about the difference between Elizabethan
That was red light run.
Jacobean Shakespeare."
It had to be. Wait, what the hell's that guy doing over there? Like, that lane's closed. Really?
One very proud guy put his John Hancock right on there.
Red light run.
Anyway, the way have been planning to show up to months and months. Yeah. Literally, like 1,000 people have come into Washington, D.C. with the idea that
Exit regret.